now. Oh, if only you had like a reload thing. That would be great, Twitch. Nope. Is it? Oh my god, it totally is. Okay. Motherfucker. Okay, so there's an ad. You have to wait for the ad. I didn't even know Twitch had ads. It's kind of amazing. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on Twitter. Twitch. Forgot my username again. Twitch. How do you fucking write Twitch? I have no idea. What the fuck? Why did you move my... Get out. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with this app? Streaming in science and technology. Alright. Online, channel. There we go. Is this live? That is confusion. Yes, that is very confusion. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here and okay, started streaming here. Okay. Swear to God that if this app moves again. Okay, seems to be working. And it is. Great. Okay, cool. It's just now working on my phone. Can you just like also... Oh my god, Leah, shut up. Okay, I'll change my fucking ad block if you just leave me alone. Oh, there we go. Oh, so the thing was just broken. Oh, okay, cool. So I can like I can't hear myself on this, which is good. So let me just like there we go. Okay, so can everyone hear me? I actually have the chat now. Is the sound better? I'm just gonna type random keys. Now that I have the chat, yes, I can. I can do everything now because I can see the chat. Is that better now? Weird silence. Yay! What's up? Okay, let's do this. Hey, sup? Yay! Okay, I can see the chat now. Oh my god, Leah, fuck off. I'm friends with Leah, it's okay. I tell her to fuck off pretty much every day. Okay, this is the max that I have. You can use your phone to check the that's what I'm doing now. So like I can let me just undo the thing. Wait. Show you my beautiful and very sophisticated setup. Which is this. I have the phone literally here. And yeah, I watch a lot of Doctor Who, if you didn't know. That's also a new thing. I watch a fuck ton of Doctor Who. Fucking love Doctor Who, because I'm a real nerd. Not one of those fake nerds! I have no idea what the fuck that means. Okay, so, from yesterday to today, nothing broke, which is very good. And I'm looking at the phone instead of looking at the camera. I'll be a great porn actress. Okay, seriously now. Okay, so apparently nothing broke. Show your desktop setup. What do you mean? I don't have any desktop here. What do you mean by desktop setup? Tap here to verify your consent. I verified my consent. Yay! Oh, it just says welcome to the chat room. Okay, so nothing broke. And where is the simulator? So we still have this, which is very good. And now the next step is, so apparently Elizabeth, which is the person that, I actually don't know if that's how you say her name in English. And if it's wrong, she's gonna punch me. And she's not gonna punch me. She's like 200 kilometers away. She hates herself. This is what I found out recently. And she tried to make like the SVG thing in React Native, and I'm not sure it worked. She didn't what? Yes, I have no idea. And so we're trying to make it sure. Like apparently she tried to make it work. I have no idea if it worked. Because well, I shut off WhatsApp. But if it did work, that's gonna be fucking dope. And I don't know if she's seeing this. Wait, let me just text her to say that I'm streaming again. Wait, I'm streaming again. This is so professional. I'm sorry. Okay, when I go back home to my actual house in Berlin, I can like get an actual setup because I have a mic and everything. I don't need to like use my headphones as a mic. Okay, so we have this and we have this. So Porto. Oh, same things. Pro streamer, yes. Porto. And what time? Like now. Like now, babe. Babe, now. Now. So we have this, which seems to be like pretty decent so far. So the next step is to create another screen. So I'm gonna make another screen and I'm gonna call it city. So new file. Oh, she's in a restaurant, so she's not gonna join us and tell her if she actually did it or not. So new file, and it's gonna be city.js. And this city.js, and I'm also gonna go to my app.js, and I'm gonna create a city here. So city, and the screen is city. And let me just do this, the lazy way of doing things. And I fucked up a colon here, and there we go. So now in the city, I'm just gonna import, I just wanna import text, import React from React, and import text from React Native. Import text, not like this, but like this, so text, like this, from React Native. Okay, so the next step is just gonna export default, and I'm gonna do this, and this, and I'm gonna say const, and I gotta get that thing, where is that thing? So here is the thing, what the fuck? This is like the weirdest thing that I've seen, like this.props.navigation.state.params.city, wow. I'm so sure this is gonna break at a certain point. This is one of those things I like, okay, so I just need this actually, because I can deconstruct the things here. So do this, and so this.props.navigation, this is just so gonna break. So this is the city. So the next thing that I gotta do is do that linking thing that I did here. So I need that touchable opacity thing, and on press, it needs to like, okay. So on press, it needs to do this. So I need a touchable opacity. So I need to import text, and not here, boy, not here. Get the fuck out. So, oh, and let me like just return a text with JSON.stringify. So return. So a text, and yeah, that sounds pretty appropriate. So text, and JSON.stringify, and city. Dude, will you just like reload the JS? There we go. It's like sometimes this reloads, and sometimes just like, you know what, Sarah, fuck you. And I'm like, okay, fine, I guess. I guess this is what I gotta do. React Native, and I gotta import touchable opacity. That, from what I can tell, is just a fucking button that just allows you to click on it. And in here, so this should be touchable opacity, and on press, it should do this, not this, but hey, get out. No, dude, don't, what you doing, boy? Okay, I think I still fucked up. Oh yeah, it's because I gotta close it. Oh yeah, prettier now. Yeah, it was because I was like opening two things at the same time, and I didn't like that. So push to city, and send city equals, oh, equals this, yeah. So city equals city. Oh no! Okay, there we go. So city equals city. So this should push the navigation to city, and then like send me all of the things in city. Okay, so if I type Porto, because it has a fuck ton of them, and I click Porto, okay, that's broken, but that's Flexbox. Did I nail it? Maybe. Who knows? Okay. Okay, so I have the companies. I think I pretty much have everything that I need. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the city and make this motherfucker pretty. So let me create a city new file. City.elements.js. And I'm gonna export, let me import style from React Native. No, from, what's the name of the thing? Oh, style components. /native. Beautiful. And let me import view from React Native. There we go. React to Nate. Oh my god, I love this keyboard. Did I ever tell you, everyone, random human beings on the internet, that I fucking hate this keyboard? It's so terrible. These new MacBooks are shit. Export const wrapper, and I'm basically just gonna copy that wrapper. Wait, let me check what this wrapper has. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have no idea why this is here. Get a mechanical keyboard. Yeah, I'm gonna get a mechanical keyboard next year. The reason why I haven't gotten a mechanical keyboard yet is because I'm fucking terrified of asking for people like, what mechanical keyboard should I get? Because I know I'm gonna get like really weird responses. Yeah. And I know I'm gonna get like a lot of responses, and I'm gonna be like, I don't understand this enough to know which is better. So can you give me like a decent one? And everyone's gonna be like, the idea of decent is different. And I'm like, fuck all. I'm not gonna get a mechanical keyboard anymore. I know this is exactly what's gonna happen. Because it's like one of those things that like I want a mechanical keyboard. People have really strong feelings about mechanical keyboards, which I like. I appreciate that. Yeah, what kind of switches do you want? I'm like, I don't know. I want those that make some noise, but not a lot of noise. And yeah, so I know that's gonna happen, and I'm scared of that. And yeah, but I'm gonna get a mechanical keyboard. So I'm just gonna ask people like in person instead of like asking on Twitter, because I'm gonna get like those really, really detailed responses that are gonna be no, fuck no. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Brown switches, thanks. Okay, yeah, I think that's what my friend had. I'll just look for one. Thank you. Not too expensively, yeah. Not too expensive. Thank you. I'll actually read that. So what the fuck was I doing? Oh, I gotta import that wrapper. See, this is why doing the stream with a thing here would not be a good idea. I get very easily distracted. So 300? No, not 300. Okay. I don't know. Like, I don't give much fucks about it. I don't care about how much sound it makes. I just want it to make sound. I don't mind if it makes too much sound, honestly. Because like I work from home, so like what the fuck's gonna get annoyed? Okay, so this looks like shit. That's exactly what I wanted. So the next step is that I get to get all of those like the need to get them pretty basically. Okay, so which ones make the most noise? Which are the color that makes the most noise, and why is that not like specified everywhere that you buy things? They're just like, do you want some blue ones or do you want some red ones? Like, why the fuck do you assume I know what that means? I know that I can go on the internet, but like, I like how you say my ex-wife. Does the keyboard have something to do with it? Okay, thanks. Most noises are blue ones. Okay, yeah, that explains the ex-wife too. Cool. No, stop talking about mechanical keyboards. Okay, so let's. I'm gonna open up the other thing that I also have opened here, which is the yeah, over cities. And so I have a bunch of stuff here, so I'm gonna open up this file, which has so the pages, and there is a what? Oh, templates. It's in city. So I actually import a lot of stuff, like the edge cases and the App Store link. So these are two things that I need. Oh, I use React Confetti. Fuck, I have no idea if that's gonna work. That is a very good point that I did not think of. So okay, so I need to get the edge cases, and so something is not working, and the module is not found, and this actually only goes one way back. This doesn't go two way back. That's cool. And let me check if it's found now. So reload.js. Fuck you. Fuck you. Are you doing it? I think it did it. It didn't do it. Oh no. What does this even mean? Why are you doing this to me? Why do you hate me? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I'm gonna restart this. And you uninstall it again. And the next step is that I need to check this again. Close. Reload. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's also running on my phone, which I obviously can't see because I have this on it. So run iOS Simulator. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, so this motherfucking line right here, this line, these two lines are the Magic Gatsby lines, which basically, so Gatsby for some reason that has something to do with React Hot Loader doesn't work with hooks, and there is like these two lines that magically make it work, and you're like, great, thanks. Okay, so I need to get something like React Confetti, but for React Native, and I don't think this is gonna be a thing. Oh, unable to resolve mobile detect. Oh, okay, that's fine. Like, I can add that. We can live with that. Gonna add mobile detect. Oh yeah, but I work from home, so it's fine. But the thing is, like, if I want to take it to anywhere, then it won't be fine anymore. So it's bundling the JavaScript again. Bundling the JavaScript bundle. So React Confetti native. So let's hope for the best. React Confetti native. Phil made it? Are you fucking serious? Nope. Phil didn't make it. Somebody else made it. Is this Phil? This is not Phil. Unless Phil is a software house, which follows. Let me look for Phil. I actually want to use Phil's thing, because if it's fucked up. Phil also made it. Thanks, Yanni. No, this is not what I want. Oh, come on. Did you seriously look for in this? No, all of fucking GitHub. Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna look for Phil's one. Users. There we go. Let me see how many. Oh, fucking hell. He has 207 repositories. Oh, for fuck's sake, Yanni. Did you seriously make me waste my time? So let's all look at Phil's face. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so let's see if this one works fine. Okay, okay. What the fuck is this? I have no idea, but we're doing this. Okay, so React Confetti, React Native Confetti. Amazing that that's a thing, actually. Okay, so let me start this again, and oh no, let me close it. Like, oh, no, no start, no, motherfucker. Shh. Okay, so yarn, add this and React Native Confetti, and I need to check. Okay, there we go. So now let's start this, and so what I need to get is confetti from React Native Confetti. Which it's still kind of amazing that this works. Oh, okay, this is the rough. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so import this. And then apparently I'm gonna need a component to the mount. So this needs to be a class. Ugh, fucking hell. Export default class. Why are you not using hooks? I tried yesterday for anyone who was here. I tried yesterday. It went horribly bad and I had to delete everything and try again. And like literally start again. Export default class. What? No, I'm just gonna, yeah. So class city extends react that component. Is this properly tipped? Maybe. Who knows? Only time will tell. Render. Okay, so and component to thanks, Sarah. Export default city. That was great. Okay, so this is that props that navigation. And yeah, so I think I probably still have the same thing. And also let me check if React this thing works. And there we go. So let me come here, paste this in, and let me try this. And this is actually, yeah. Okay, so let me put this in here. So, and now this should work. So let me add, let me click I, and it's launching the iOS simulator. That is here. Dude, just reload it. This is so far gone. This error is like from fucking yesterday. Bundling the JavaScript bundle. I meant this one. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. Like, it doesn't look as good as the other one, but it exists, I guess. Oh my god, why is this 100? Oh my god, this should never be 100. This should be like a fucking 1,000. I want to stop people's phones. Damn. Okay, so let's try this again. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, cool. And so let me try Lisbon. And I can try Lisbon. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna stay with this, but I'm probably gonna change the other one. Oh, so the size is 1. So I'm gonna put like, okay, so the size, I'm gonna put it at like 3 or something. Cause I don't know. Some just looks weird. They look really fucking bad. Like they look like I don't know what happened to them. It's like they've been squished. Squished. Okay, so I'm gonna click photo now. Oh my god, that looks like shit. Oh my god, that looks like shit. Woo! This is the best thing that I have ever created in my life. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with 1. I'm gonna say this to 200, and then I'm gonna try and find a better one. Because, like, this one doesn't work that well. I'm gonna talk to Phil. Yeah, okay, so it's not shooting bricks anymore, which is good. But, yeah, it doesn't look that good, but we got something. Okay, so this is only supposed to show. So I'm gonna get an if. Okay, so first thing, I got the city. And let me get the thing. So, okay, so this is only supposed to show if city, that company, company. And now we're gonna go to the actual thing, Brick Fatty. Yes, that is amazing. It looks like shit. Like I'm aware, and then it like stops. Okay, that actually makes sense. So city, that company, that includes Uber. So if it includes Uber, then this is supposed to show. If it doesn't include Uber, then just don't show anything. Just ignore me. Okay, so let me type Porto again. And I meant this, and this works. So now I need to remind myself of a city that is not Porto, that doesn't have an Uber. So let me check this one. Does it have Uber? Fucking hell, they have Uber. With the luck that I have, all of these companies will have Uber. Yeah. City that doesn't have Uber. No, this one does. I'm being kind of stupid. No, I'm not. I mean, I am, but that's normal. It's gonna crash. You're gonna fucking crash. I have no idea what you're talking about, by the way. Okay, fine. So, oh, I think I fucked up this in a way that I can't go back to the homepage now. That makes sense. That makes... London has Uber, dude. That actually never passed. Oh, wait. There is, what's the city that I've been to? Split. So, that's a bug. Okay, fucking hell. How do you write that? So, S-D-I... What Slack extension? Oh, it's actually called, like, I think it's Slack for VS Code or something. I don't actually use it. But it's there. And I actually used it... Ooh. So I don't recognize this. Yeah, it's called Slack for VS Code, I think. It's called Slack, but you can also use it with Discord, which is cool. Okay, so next thing, I'm gonna go on Algolia and message for a city that doesn't have Uber. This is the wrong app. Ow. Okay, and this is... Okay, so that works. Bless. Okay. So let me come here. Let me come here. And let me save this again because I can't go back. Oh, I can't go back. Oh, okay. And there's no Uber. Yes, so that one works. That is cool. And so the next step is that in search, I actually need a fucking header that allows me to go back. So is there Uber in? And now I can go to homepage. Yeah. Okay, cool. So if I type and I go here, then I can go to the search and I can go to home. This actually makes more sense, and I will just change it to being the same color, I guess. Thanks. And yeah, so next step of this is to actually make it look nice. Yes. One day I'm gonna get fucking punched by an Italian, like in the face. And it's gonna be one of those, like, I fucking deserved it, so it's fine, kind of like I got punched by an Italian in the face. So this is the title, which has a link to it. So, okay, so this is a frag. I don't think we have fragments in React Native, boy. Okay, so this is if there is Uber. So if there is Uber, what I gotta put is all of this stuff. So let me go to the city. And if there is Uber, so this is the stuff that needs to go here. This is not okay because there are no A's. So I have to come here And let me go on the homepage, and I have this link. So I need to have a touchable opacity for this. So title. And okay, so this needs to have a touchable opacity. Opacity that on press does this. Oh, fuck. And yeah, so this opens the URL on press. That's cool. Something is incredibly wrong here because this is not supposed to be here. This can be here, so I can just leave a space. This should be here, and yeah. Okay, cool. So this is trash. No, this is not trash, Sarah. What do you do, Sarah? What do you... Okay, and that was actually pretty stupid, so I need to cut this, delete this, and delete this A. And now I can put this in here. And now this should kind of work. So let me get the title. So I need the title. So let me go and city.elements. So I have this title and I have this subtitle, I think. So title, subtitle, and message. Let me get these three. So title. What the fuck is the subtitle? I guess I'll find out with time. Won't we? Won't I? Yes, I shall. So text and anything. So this H1. This. Oh no! Fuck. Text, and this is also text. Cool. So props.theme.secondary. I should make a theme now that I think about it. And now let me come here. Let me open the. Nope. This is in components layout. Secondary is this color. I am so lazy. Okay, so done and done. Okay, so let me export the title. I have no idea what this is doing here. And I actually don't need this anymore, so I'm just gonna close random shit here. Oh, I have a city name. Where's this? Why do I have a city name? City.elements. What is that city name? Company, go back. City name. Oh, that is I was super fancy here. It's a style.address. You go, Sarah. You fancy, girl. Damn. So text. And now everything is text. Okay, so I need the city name, title, and then that's it. So city name and title. So wrapper, city name, title, and I am missing something else, which is, okay, can you reload the page? So reload JS. Oh, there are fragments here? That is cool. Reload JS. Do it. Do it. I believe in you, babe. Babe. Oh, come on, babe. Why don't you love me? There we go. Okay, Portal. Okay, so let me click on Portal. It says can't find variable touchable opacity. Yeah, you are right. This comes from React Native. I don't think I'm actually using this text anymore. Yes, I am. Oh, I'm just in the stringify in the city, so I need message as well. Where is message? Message, message, message. Okay, there we go. Oh, message already here. I just didn't import it because I'm stupid. What? So, and message. So this should work now. So let's go. Let's try this. And I'm going to type Puno and nesting of a view within text. What? I mean, I guess that makes sense, but what? What are you talking about? Nesting of a view within text. Animated component of touchable opacity. Any of this is a view? I don't think any of this is a view. Wait, what? What the fuck? Okay. We open this again, and photo, and nesting of a view within text, yeah. Okay, so this is at CD28. Should this title be a view? I'm gonna get this title to be a view. That's probably the issue, because it has a lot of stuff in it. So title should be a view. Nailed it. Text string must be red. That makes sense. Okay, so yeah, I think that was a problem. So text, that makes sense, and text. And yep. What the fuck do you want? Oh. And close this to get a cigarette. And let's go to taste. So let's try Porto. And Porto. Fuck you. Oh, okay. Oh, why do I have a display of block? That makes no sense. Also, you could just like fucking ignore it, I guess, but if that's not your thing, that's not your thing, I guess. So, Porto. So, that looks fucking terrible. But it just works, so that's good. So that's because the title, this right here, this thing should be the, I'm just gonna call it yes or something. Okay, so the thing is, this should be a view. Where is this? And this should be a view. And this should be the title. And the title should actually be like, where's title? So this should be text right now. And I don't think I'm importing view here, so I need to import view. Import view. Okay, I'm gonna stop photo. Okay, cool. So matches Porto Portugal. No, it clicked the thing. What the fuck phone? My phone just opened up like Google thing, and yeah. Okay, matches Porto Portugal, and if I click it, can't find variable linking. True. Okay, this linking thing is super weird though. Okay, so this is kind of working. Looks like shit, but we'll get to there. Porto. I just don't know what this weird black thing is. Okay, so the next step is to get the, like, whatever the fuck else it has. So let me go to city, and I have a thing here. Oh, there's a message with edge cases that's city. Do I have this in here? Yeah, I do. It's supposed to show that. I think it's because of the thing. Okay, so there's also a title that says nope. Yeah, so like when you want to link to, like, this is the dumbest thing. So they don't have like A's, like we do, like normal web applications that you have like an A. That's not a thing, Sid. You wish that was a thing, but no. You have a thing called linking, and like you gotta make any anything that you want to link to a browser, basically any outside link. So in this case, I have a lot of outside links like Algolia and to actually the Uber website. So I have to make them like on click, basically like it's like a window that open. I think it's really fucking weird. This connection is not private. Oh, so I'm gonna show you the most beautiful thing about Portugal. Visit the website. This is why I actually made the Uber in, because the website is blocked in Portugal. This means that the thing that's written here, if you're not Portuguese, means the site you're trying to access is blocked in the sequence of a judicial and administrative order. But the app is not. It's the dumbest fucking thing. Okay, so let me remove this. And let's test this again. And let me type Porto. And I meant this. And yeah, matches Porto Portugal. But there is a problem here. I mean, there's a lot of problems here, but I'm not sure which one I should do first. So this view, why is this message not even showing up? Interesting. Oh no, I clicked the thing by accident. Go back. Okay, there's something wrong with this title thing. So, oh, this needs a font weight of bold, first of all. Yeah, that's gonna fix the whole thing. Font weight of bold. I think this thing also needs a width of 100%. It actually doesn't need the flex direction of column, because from what I learned yesterday, this is the default. So let's try this again. And I'm going to type Puno. And this is kind of annoying, but I had to do this on the website too. Okay, so that is bold. Then fix anything else. But it fixed that. Oh, it's this view. Okay, let me start. So height. Let me put this 100. And width. So let's see what happens now. Oh, these things are just as annoying as divs. Okay, that's cool. Oh, this is city.name. think, right? Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna stop. No, I passed it to wait. So let me go on edge cases. Yeah, I have city.porto. What's the problem here? City and city. Okay. Return match that message. Why isn't this returning anything? Okay, so this is just gonna be another fucking wrapper, basically. Where's the wrapper? Okay, from what I can tell, everything needs to be a wrapper here. No, but this can't be here. This... Huh, interesting. This should be here, probably. So let me try that again. Porto. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so it's now in the center, but this fucking confetti is not. Why don't I have the thing? Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? That was kind of scary. That was kind of fucking scary. Okay, yeah, but like, I don't know what this thing here is. And this is annoying the fuck out of me. Because, like, this thing should work. What's up with this message? So let me come here to the city.elements, export default message. Text line center, max width 80%. Yeah. Why isn't this working? This should fucking work. So matches portal. Okay, let me get the other ones. So there is another thing here, which is city.company.filter and items.uber. So it's just this, and I need both of these things, basically. And yeah. I have no idea why I deleted it. So let me, this is still, no! Oh no! Oh no. Open recent, over cities. There we go. Okay, and okay, so in no, this needs a wrapper around it too. Does it though? Okay, no, it doesn't. And then you get this, and this should just be this. And city that includes Uber. Okay, so what I need is the rest of the fucking styles. So I need this go back style, which I will not do right now. Because, yeah, there we go. Because it's a fucking A. And I need the go back. City name is already done. I need company, which is an A, but it can't be an A, which is a touchable opacity right now. So this is a touchable opacity. And I need to import this. So let me just do that. And I go to city, and this company is href. Okay, so touchable opacity. Oh no. Yes. Yeah, no, it's a company, and the thing that I need to do is the linking weird shit. So on press. And so let me do this. And so the href is get app store link and see. See, there's no target blank. Everything is a target blank, and I can close this. Okay, so then I need an alternative. And const alternative is a styled flex. What the fuck is the flex thing? That I'm not importing anymore. Oh, this is the flex thing. Okay. So these are both views, that's fine. And this is a view. So let me import this alternative and the subtitle. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works now. So I'm going to type Porto here. Can't find variable company because I didn't import it. Okay, so in JavaScript bundle. Invalid color supply too. Okay. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, yeah, so that's true. And that, you know why that is? Because I'm fucking lazy and I don't want to like create the theme, and I should have already created the theme. This is the thing that I'm going to do, like it's going to be the very last thing that I'll do. Okay, text string must be, yes, they should. Why aren't they doing that? Oh, okay, so this is trash. And yeah, so this just has a space here. There we go. And company needs to have a text in it. And yeah, so that's the thing. So this is the company. And this is the touchable opacity. So like the wrappers, everything needs to have like a wrapper in React Native, which I find super weird. So this is a style text actually. Yeah. Yeah. Company. Yeah, that's done. Okay, Porto. So that didn't work at all. And I think this is because of the height that this thing has. So let me remove this. Oh no, it's gone. Everything is gone. There we go. Okay, so I have no idea how people like debug layouts in here. Yeah, because the thing is like, so there is also, and it's like right here at the bottom. I wish I knew how people debug layouts in this thing. Okay, so this thing cannot have a wrapper in here. So let me delete this wrapper. Okay, and let me try this again. So Reload.js. Okay, so that kind of works. So all of these things also need a, so all of these companies need a margin top. They need to be bold. So the company needs a margin top, and I'm just gonna put like 20 pixels. Somebody's ringing my doorbell, but like no one knows what I'm here, so I'm not gonna fucking pick that up. And needs a font weight to bold. Oh, the text transform doesn't work. Okay, that makes sense. And there is no need for text decoration, and I am gonna remove this margin. And the font weight should be bold. Like pretty much everything in here should be bold. That's the thing. So the city name should not be bold. But the other thing that I have in here, which is the message, no, this should not be bold. But the subtitle should be bold. And I think the subtitle is that there is something. Okay, so photo. Yeah, there is also black. Oh no, that actually was working. Oh, because it was. Oh, it was capitalized. Oh, okay. So let me. So I'll remove these two because that's not needed, and this remove this one, and font weight is bold, and the margin, and not last child, margin right. Eh, what are you doing? Not last of type. I think this should work. And let me add this to the message as well. And the message, which is, I think this, right? Yeah, this should have a margin bottom of like 25 pixels or something. So margin bottom, and I'm gonna put like 20 pixels, and this should have also a margin top of like 40 pixels. There we go. So I'm gonna go with photo. And okay, so that looks better, except this part. This part looks like shit. And not last of type. Okay. See, I don't know what this is, but I think this is like the message that's not showing up correctly. So if I miss all, okay, cool. It's also black. So let me try and click this. Does it work? Oh, amazingly enough, it goes to Google Play. That is actually kind of amazing. Okay, so, and I'm just gonna add a margin right of 20 pixels to each of these. Okay, let me try last child. Oh, no, yeah, last child. And not last child, then let me see if this works. So this also doesn't work, so I'm just gonna add a margin right to all of them. Wait, is the company the right thing? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so that is also actually kind of working. So now I need a thing to tell me if I'm an Android or, okay, React Native to OS, something like that. I need to know the OS. Okay, so okay, no. Oh, yeah, platform.os. Okay, cool. So I need platform from React Native. So I need platform. Platform from React Native, and I need to use this platform here. So where it gets the App Store links, I need to pass this and platform.os. And let me go to the App Store links, and so this is gonna return what? iOS. Okay, cool. Okay, so if that's it, that's cool. I actually don't need any of this. Store links as sanitized app name, store links at default, and mobile. What the fuck? Oh, I need app and I need OS. And yeah, man, this is OS, and all of this thing is trash. And this is only in a different file because dude needed it. So this is iOS. So this should work now, I think. Let me test it. Can't find variable sanitize app name. Oh, yeah, that's true. So let me sanitize app name. And mobile detect is trash. So let me try again. And let me type photo. I go to photo and I click black lane. iTunes.apple! Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. What? What? Oh, for that one is invalid for some reason. Okay. Okay. This app is only available for iOS devices. I am on an iOS device. Okay, so how can I open App Store? React Native. How can I open the fucking App Store? Oh. Yeah. I don't think this is... Yeah, to open the App Store instead of the iTunes Store. Oh, God. Thanks, dude. Okay, is a link to other apps. Oh, this is... I think this is what I want. What? Wait, is all of this, like, mandatory? Okay, so let me try this. Opens an app store and a listing requested. React Native app link. Okay, so import app link from app link. Let me leave this here. Ah, okay, so I have this ID, so that's cool. So city, and so let me import this. Let me try to maybe open URL. Open the... I fucking love it. That's kind of amazing. Okay, on press. Okay, so on press, I'm not gonna do this. I'm actually gonna try and do this. Which is, I need to pretty much do the same thing. So the app name is, okay, so I need to get platform that I need to get app store link. Okay, so let me, const link, get app store link, and this is actually going to return basically. So this is, oh, this has the URL, so I don't need any of this, right? Or do? Oh my God, what are you doing? Oh, wait, what? You are the worst example that I've seen in my life. I'm not very smart. What? Okay, URL, then why do I have all of these things? This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I'm gonna get open in store, so that makes more sense. Fuck it. Open in store doesn't have a fucking URL. So the app name is just, let me put a random app name. So app name, let me get Uber, for example. No, I'm not gonna get Uber. So there's Cabify and Photo. So the name is Cabify. So the app name is Cabify. The App Store ID. Fucking what the fuck is the App Store? Oh cow. The the App Store ID is this, and the App Store Play ID is this. So ID is account.cabify.writer. So I have all of these things. Okay, then no, I don't want it done. Like that's it. Then J. I don't fucking know. It's gonna be like this, I guess. I don't need this actually, and so on press, do this. Key, what the fuck? Oh, there's one missing. Okay. And now, let's try this. So let me go back on Espo, and reload the page. Okay, there we go. And now let me type Cabify. Did that work? I don't think it did. Oh, fuck you, man. This is not even, like... Safari can't open the page because the address is invalid. You're not even... Okay, so string the app's name. Example, App Store ID. What is that ID? So the ID, I put the ID also here, so this is wrong. And Play Store ID is this, and app name is Cabify. Okay, then do something. Okay, let me go back. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let me go back. Yeah, I'm using React Native and Expo. Yeah. Photo and Cabify. Oh, because I'm using the linking thing. I'm not supposed to use the linking things. No, I'm not. I'm not even using the linking thing. So touchable opacity on press. App link that open in store. What the fuck? Like, Safari can't open it. That makes sense, because Safari is not supposed to open it. It's supposed to open in the fucking store. I don't think this works. Yeah. So app name, Cabify, App Store ID, Play Store ID.com, Cabify.writer. And when I click it, it just... So basically, opens an app stored to the listing requested. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Right with Lyft, and it's supposed to open Lyft. That doesn't happen. Okay, so let me... Okay, let me try this again, because this is kind of weird. This should work. If I go on Cabify, it opened... I don't know what it's trying to open as well. Like, that's the thing. What the fuck are you trying to open? And like, okay, cost link equals await. I don't want it then. I just want, let me console.log the link. What the fuck? Oh. And let me try this again. Okay, so it's totally fucked up. Why doesn't it have like a console.log as well? Like it should have the console.log. Console.log link. What the fuck? Open. Okay, me check what this dude does under the hood. Index.js. Oh, this just uses the app thing. Open in store. Okay. So linking that open URL. Oh my god, why do you... Look. Amazing. So this is exactly what I have. So itunes.apple.com. This is what I have here. itunes.apple.com/us. Yeah. So this dude is basically, I have no idea, but he's doing like the exact same thing I was doing, but that doesn't open the store. That was fucking dumb. Linking that open, yeah, like I already have this, and ID equals App Store ID. Maybe open URL. The URL, okay. Yeah, no, he was doing the exact same thing that I was doing, which is kind of stupid. Oh, look! Oh, no! Okay, there we go. I actually don't know why Safari's like, I don't know what this is. I am gonna stop now. Photo, Cabify. Yeah. Will you fuck off? But I don't know why it doesn't... That's kind of weird. This is stupid. Yeah, it goes to itunes.apple.com. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. Okay, let me try this on my phone. Thanks, man. I don't believe in myself. Okay, so let me see if in my phone it actually, like, goes to the correct thing. So yeah, so I haven't opened it in a while, so it needs to show the fuck down. It's loading the JavaScript bundle on Android because it hasn't done it in a while. So Proto, and I'm in Proto, and what the fuck does miss all Cabify? Yeah, on my phone it opens perfectly on the Android store. So I think this is an issue with the it opens great. So I think this is an issue with, but everything else looks like shit though. That was a stupid ass laugh. Also, like, the motherfucking thing is here, but I can't see it. I do like the fact that the icon is different because, like, it actually doesn't look that bad. Like, I mean, it looks shitty, but you just wait for what I'm saying. So yes, it goes to the Uber website. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it. So yes, goes to the Uber website, and that's working. Cabify goes to the Cabify app. Black Lane. I do have the Cabify app. No, I don't. So let me install the Cab. No, I do have my taxi. It doesn't open it though. But it does go to the app thing. Okay, so that works. That's cool. I'll try it on an iOS. So that's cool. I'll try it on iOS later. Okay, so the next step is to make it not look like shit. What is that? Okay, so there's something wrong with the message here, and I'm gonna try and figure that one out. Because the message isn't showing, and I don't know why, because this actually exists. So if I console.log this, if there is a fucking console.log, because sometimes the console.log exists and sometimes it doesn't, and I'm like, what? Console.log. And if I type Porto. Okay, the reason I'm doing Porto is because there is a, dismiss all. It's because there is a thing here. Yeah, so there is this, but it's not showing for some reason. And this is the touchable opacity that just says yes. I'm not sure if this has like a margin or a padding or something. No, because the matches work. But the message doesn't. Okay, let me try a city that doesn't have order. Did I copy this? Yeah. Let me see how bad this looks. So home. No. Oh, okay. So this is actually pretty nice. Dude, fuck off. Why are you being mean to me? Yeah, because you're not supposed to open there. Okay, so this one actually looks okay. Except that but there is thing needs a subtitle, needs a margin top, and it doesn't have one, I think. Where's the subtitle? Oh, I think it's this. Okay, let me remove this, and then remove this. And where's the subtitle? Yeah, subtitle needs a margin top of 40 pixels. Okay, so let me try it again. Come here. I meant this. Okay, that looks okay. That looks okay. And so let me try a city that does have Hoover. But that motherfucker right there. Why is the message not working? So let me just like remove all of this. Just leave that. So let me. This color should be this. Not that. Yeah, so now it works. There's something in here. That. Does anyone know what's in here fucking this thing up? Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this line height, and the text line of center is not necessary actually, because by default all of this is text line center. I think. I'm not sure, so I'm just not gonna do it. And font rate of bold, max width. Okay, so let's see this. I think it was the line height. I was screwing this up. Yeah. Okay. No, text line center needs to be here. So because of that thing, because it can go to multiple lines, and it probably will. And now there is a margin top of 20 pixels. Okay, cool. So if I do this now, yes. Okay, so it tells you the city that it matches. It tells you like, okay, so there's this problem in Porto that sometimes taxi drivers like assault your car, and it's kind of annoying. Wait for thing. So let me try Paris now. Yeah. Okay. So this is just like random things. So like a ride from Charles de Gaulle is like has a fixed price, and if they see that you're a tourist, they may try to get you from a different price, and you can just tell them to fuck off. They'll not show them the app because this is not a real app. So matches Paris, France. Okay, this is because like we had a ton of problems with that. I had a ton of problems with that. So let me go to the search again, and I have this text thing that needs a display flex. Oh no. So let me do a style, and this is just a display of flex. And I also need the flex direction to be column in this case. Yeah, but not here. Here. No, this is okay. Cool. So now it needs a align item center, and not like this, but like this, and a justify content center. And yeah, that's it. And this needs a style. Margin left at 20. What? I kind of want to know how I broke this like this, but okay. So I'm just gonna put this in here and hope for the best. No. Why don't I have a margin? It's kind of weird. Okay, it's not the end of the world, but okay, it already looks better, so that's good. Oh, I need a loading. Oh yeah, so this link is trash, so I can delete this. That's cool. Okay, so if I type Lisbon, there's only one Lisbon, so that's the thing. So if there's only one, I need to do this. So, where is this? So it searches, and then it sets the cities. This does set state cities, and then did I close that? No, it's here. So then, basically, when I go to search, there's this thing here of like select city. So that's done. Is when you click on it. But where is that shit? Yeah, so if unique cities by name, it just like selects the city. So I can just copy this and do select. Okay, if which is something that I can do. So then I just call this our props and navigation. Where is that? And just push the city with the city. So what happens is, so if I type Lisbon now, it sees that it only has one, and it's changed it to the other one. Okay. Oh, okay, I know why. Yeah. Okay, so this thing actually should now run here. So I should have this inside. Okay, so this after set state. So after this set state is done, I'm gonna do this and unique this that state that cities. This that state that cities is unique by name, then do it. Because otherwise it was just like it was trying to do something stupid. So Porto doesn't do anything, cool. And Lisbon, it goes here, but it gives me a fucking error. So ref that info that country. That's weird. Huh. Oh yeah, because I don't have a city. So this dot state dot cities. So city equals this dot state dot cities and 0, I think. So if I type Lisbon, yeah, it like straight automatically goes there. Yeah, so I'm making a app. Is everyone seeing this shit? So I'm making an app that basically what it does is that it checks if there's Uber in the town. So I have this thing on Algolia, which has all the links, like all of the records and all of that stuff from like Uber and my taxi, Cabify, all of that stuff to help people when they go to a new city to check if there's Uber and stuff. And I'm basically making this in React Native because it's part of a thing that we're doing of like trying to do something in 72 hours. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I've not used React Native that much. So that's why this is in React Native. So actually, I don't need this. This was by a, so when I started this, I just used your app yesterday. Yay, that's so cool. So I'm making an actual app version of it. There are still a couple of bugs. By a couple, I mean a fuck ton. I curse a lot. Welcome. So before I actually structured the data well, I had this thing of like, so I had Lisbon, for example, and I had like 5 Lisbons, one for each app that added, which I don't need anymore. Because if I console.log cities here, you'll see that I only have one. So I don't need this unique by thing anymore, which is cool. Don't open Spotify. Don't ever open Spotify. I have really bad taste in music. I mean, it's not bad. I just didn't grow up from being emo. Can't find variable cities. That's true. That's because I'm dumb. So we'll go to this. This.state.cities. And let me try this again. That's cool. If you're just here for the swearing, you came to the fucking right place. So if I type Lisbon, can't find variable this. Oh my god, dude, what the? Oh wait. So this is why I didn't do like live streaming before. And if I go to the console now, I have an array with one thing. I have no idea what this undefined is, but I have only one array. So I don't need this thing anymore. So on the search, I just need to check the length. So if I'm just going to const cities equals this.state.cities. And yeah, so this is if cities.length, I don't need this unique anymore. Cities.length is equal to 1, then I just need to push cities to 0. And then in here, I also have this unique by. No, I don't need this. I just need to cities.map. And I just need to map the city, because I actually don't need this. This was a thing that I needed when I was like really bad at the thing. Someone didn't rehearse your line. Thanks! Thanks! Like, hey! What city? What? Unexpected token. Oh, I fixed that. Okay, cool. So Porto. No. Yes, I want Porto actually. And let me check if this works. Yeah, so this actually works. I'm like, I always get really like, If this actually works, I mean to say. So Lisbon, and it'll automatically go to Lisbon. So this does not look okay. That's the thing. But the thing is, I actually don't need to do this. I can just, instead of pushing, so insert, no, no, this is, yeah. So this is a problem. But I think what I can do is that, okay, so one thing is that I don't have a loading. So this wrapper, so if not loaded, it should show something like a text that says loading. Getting your info or something. And otherwise, it should show this, and then I should close it here. No, in here, actually. Ah! Right? No! Wrong! Oh no! What's going on? Do you want a JS fragment? Yes, I do. Thank you, React Native. You are the best. And in here, in cities, I need another JS fragment. There we go. So if I do this, hey! What VS Code theme? Oh, I'm using Night Owl. And my font is Dank Mono. And let me just come here. And what are the extensions? Why do I have so many things in here? I don't even use Now anymore. Well, extensions. Night Owl. So this is the theme that I'm using. And if you ever met me on real life or on the internet in any kind of way, you know that I have this really kind of unhealthy obsession with Sarah Drasner that is kind of weird because she's like, we're friends, and I'm like, I love you. It's kind of weird. It wasn't as weird when we like didn't know each other, but now it's kind of weird. And yeah, that's it. It's kind of gay as well. Yeah, okay, so this actually looks better now. So what I need to do is just like show, oh, this works, so that's cool. So I can go back to search. Yeah, it's okay. We understand. It's Sarah Drasner. I know. Yeah. Okay, so if someone goes back to search, okay, one thing at a time. God damn it. I need to get a loading. React Native loading! Yeah, Sarah Drasner's fucking awesome, man. React Native loading. Are you, no, I'm from Portugal, but I am from a town called Espinho, which is in pretty close to Porto. I'm actually from a small town near Espinho, but yeah, we'll just do this. What is the activity indicator? Is this like a, what is this? Okay. Okay, let me check back. Oh, nice. Where are you from in Portugal? What is the okay? So as you can see from me not knowing what the fucking the activity indicator is. Oh my god, there's a default loading state? Fucking hell. Why don't we have this? Why don't we have this? Oh, you're from Lisbon. Cool. I actually lived in Lisbon for about 3 or 4 months. It was pretty nice. I actually prefer Lisbon to Porto, so a lot. Just way too much than I should. Oh, so I guess I can. Are you? No, I work for a company based out of London, but I work remote. I live in Berlin, but I'm at my parents' house too. I'm at my parents' house in Portugal. Okay, so for the holidays, obviously. Not obviously. I mean, I could be here because I fucking love it here, I guess. And let me just do this. Oh no, that was fucked up. And activity indicator, and now let me get that. I'm just gonna put white in it, so not that white, but that same secondary color. I have no idea where I got this color from, but it's fancy. It's pretty fucking fancy. Okay. Yep. Let me go here again, and if I type Lisbon now, I should just get the loading. Yeah, so it's not instantaneous. That's the thing. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that, okay, so I'm gonna do a fucking huge hack right now. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna set cities first and then loaded. So the problem is that I set loaded at the same time as after I set cities. So what I gotta do is when cities is done, so in here, I gotta do this, that set state, Loading. Yeah, yeah. I didn't put a set timeout on that one. But I think this works too. Wait, let me just check. So loaded true. It's like, why did I do like a loaded instead of a loading? That also doesn't make any sense. If I type Lisbon now, that still doesn't work, so I'm gonna get a set timeout. Okay, so yeah, but the thing is, like, I check if it's loaded, and if it is, it does this. Yeah, so loaded, so this is actually true. So loaded needs to come here, and but I wait. How do you set timeouts in React Native? Because you don't actually have a window. React Native. Hmm. Wait. I don't know what this means. What the fuck? How long have we not? Yeah, I can use that timeout, but where is that? Set timeout in React Native. Okay, so there's no window, it's just set timeout. Yeah, okay. So I can say set timeout, and on timeout, set to loading, and I'm just gonna set it to like 100 or something. Because this, like, Algolia is pretty fast, which is like the same reason. Yeah, okay, that makes true. So I need to set this to const. Wait, set timeout, clear, just make set timeout. This dot set timeout. Do I need this? That's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, so I need to clear the timeout after the component on mounts, because that's a problem. Loaded. Okay. Reload. Okay, attempting to reload bridge. Use an instance variable. Yeah. Lisbon. Yeah. This dot set timeout is not a function. Yeah, it's just set timeout. Still doesn't work. What the fuck? Should I give it a second or something? Because I think that's too much. Go back. What you do? No. Okay. Okay, so that looks pretty fucking smooth, I think. So I'm gonna try and set it to 500. See if it looks cool. So Lisbon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set 600 or something. But that actually looks like it's a hack. It's a hack, but yeah. Okay. Okay, let's check if this works. So Lisbon. You can still see the thing. Yeah, this dot timer. Okay. Okay, cool. Wait. So this dot timer equals the set timeout. Thanks, man. I'm not pretty sure that's not your name. I mean, it could be. I'm not judging if it is. Component will unmount and clear timeout. And I just passed this dot timer. If I can type timeout, set timeout and clear timeout, this dot timer. Yeah. Oh, so Algolia is like this search thing. So basically, they're like this really cool database. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but they do really fast searches, basically, which is like the most fucking niche thing, but they've actually been doing pretty well, which is cool, I guess. So they basically, like, I have all of my info on Algolia, and they do the search for me instead of me being like, oh, does the name contain Lisbon? And because I try to do that. Bye, man. And thank you for coming. It will send it. That's fine. Uh, uh, I can do a if just that timer. Okay, yeah. If this dot timer has no value, it will send a warning. Also, so warnings are fine. So I'm just gonna type Lisbon. And there we go. Cool. That works. And now let's do the actual thing of like, oh, yes. Okay, go back again and let me type Porto. And it works. That's pretty cool. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm gonna move this into a function because it looks like shit. So I'm gonna create a function const, not const, what the fuck? Send to city? I don't know. Check cities length. What the fuck? Length. Okay, so this gets nothing, and it does all of this like weird magic inside of it. So this, and it does this, and in here I'm just gonna run this. That's check. So okay, fine. Okay, so Lisbon still works. Okay, cool. So there's a thing like each child in the array. Oh my god, phone. I did not say okay, Google. If each child in the array, but where do I have that? So this has a key, which is fine. Should have a key prop. Where is this? So this isn't a method of search, which is kind of weird because like everything has a key prop. Key that city that place ID. 77. It has a key. Is it not unique? Let me console.log this. So console.log cd that place ID. It is unique because this is like the Google place ID thing from Google Maps. So let me type Porto because it has a ton of them. Oh, this isn't defined. Oh. Ah, that explains it. Oh, it's object ID. Where the? Oh, it's info that place ID. It's info that place ID. That's the problem. So this is info that place ID. So that bot, that warning should go, I think. So let me type photo here. Yeah, okay. Note of type rule not supported as inline style. What the fuck does this even mean? I would like to get like, okay, so it's trying to get the source map. Note of type rule. Oh, is this like the media queries? I think this is the media queries. Do you have media queries in React Native? Media query, React Native. I don't think it has them. I think that's the problem right now. I mean, it's not a real problem. It's like, you shouldn't do this. And I'm like, I don't care. Responsive components. Package provides a decorator. Yeah, no. So I'm going to remove that. Do you have GitHub? Yeah. Wait. Wait. I'm going to put it on my phone. Yeah, that's my GitHub. Yeah, I'm putting all of this on GitHub. So that doesn't work. So I just gotta find all the media rules that I have. So media. Oh, did I already delete them? I think I already deleted them. Then what is that error? Can you have styles on Android? Yeah. Yeah. You can have styles only on Android and only on iOS. You basically pass it as a. So there's this platform that's something that I had to use that here on the app stores. So no, it's not here. It's on the CD. There is a thing here which I say get app store platform.os. So you can pass platform.os and like you can have styles there. So actual like yeah. Cool. Nice talk. Oh, this thing. So I need this now. Okay, so this is the go back button. And this is basically a touchable opacity that will on click. So like this go back is this basically, and on click we'll just go to home. So I need a touchable opacity here. Touchable opacity. I can just copy all of this because that's cool. Touchable opacity. I don't need this key, and I can close this touchable opacity. Oh, thanks, man. And so what I want to do here is I want to go to navigation and say like this.props.navigation. Yeah, so push this without anything. Oh no, no, that doesn't mean anything. The fact that I do this doesn't mean that you're not weird, because I'm fucking weird. And on press, I have no idea what I copied. Okay. On press, this goes to the home page. So home, and that's it. So this just goes to home. And I do this, and yeah, I think that's it, right? Oh no, this closes like this. There we go. Okay. You should probably show the loading thing on the search screen and not. That's what I do. That's what I do, Leah. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Also, why do you have a thing on the right side? On the left side of your icon? Yeah. So do I have this go back thing? I don't think I defined it. I didn't. Go back. And this is okay. And then I need to open the other editor and then we copy the go back thing. The go back thing here? No, it's in here. Actually, I don't think I need this thing anymore, so I'm gonna close it. Twitch Prime. Oh, you're Twitch Prime? You fancy girl. So city.elements. And this, and the secondary is this color that I'm too lazy to create a theme for. And text align center. This is not a thing, so I'm just gonna say a margin top of 60 pixels. And I'm gonna import it in city. Did I already import it? Yeah. So let me try this again. So I'm real.js. Why would I link Twitch and Amazon? Can't find variable link. What are you talking about? What are you looking for link? Can't find variable link. Oh, that's stupid. This is just a text, Sarah. Amazon bought Twitch? Fucking hell. Why do they own the internet? Why does Amazon own the internet? This is like seriously the second time that I'm using Twitch. Seriously? Fucking hell. Oh, okay, so if I click search again, it goes to the homepage. Yes. 3 years ago. Sorry. Okay, let me console. I'm doing some console.logs here. Okay, I can remove this console.log because this is already working. And this is the yarn.log. Welcome to Twitch. Thank you. Google tried to buy Twitch to use their live stream offering, but Amazon served them under. So basically the exact same thing. What are the glasses? Oh, this is spectacle. So it basically does things. So like if I do Command Control F, it goes full screen and stuff like this, which you can't see my mouse. But yeah, wait. So if I do this, you can probably see it. So if I do this, like or this, it goes halfway. Yeah, so it's just fancy things, and it's one of the only ones that I saw that were free and was pretty good. So I think I bought like the premium version. Yeah, so basically Amazon did what they did what they do every day with AWS. Pretty much. Pretty much. Okay. So I think I'm gonna commit because I've done a lot of stuff. Some random thing fell on my bench. Should it though? That's my thing. It's like that was my second idea, but I'm not sure it should. I mean, it could. I mean, I guess that didn't make sense on the web, but it does make sense here, and that's actually like not that hard to do. Okay, so let me commit this. Yeah, that makes sense, Lee. I'm gonna do that. Go back to work though. Okay, git commit and yay things. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Leah set. Yeah, that makes sense. So this old function, basically. Okay, so let me come here. Or like this whole thing. This is not gonna run the search basically. That's the thing. So this is just gonna get the cities that I send from. Wait, what is this city thing? Why are you reading UX things now? No, but in this case, it's yeah. So in this case, it was because yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, wait, Leah. One thing at a time. Fuck's sake. Okay, god damn it, Leah. Okay, so I don't think this city is actually being used anywhere, is it? No, it is. No, it isn't. Why the fuck is this here? Oh no, it is. No, but it's not used here. So what I need to do. Okay, so what I need to do is that I'm gonna move this spinner here. So this is not gonna load at any time. So I'm gonna get this. This is always gonna be loaded. And I'm gonna close this. And so let me. What did I do now? This is probably not supposed to be here. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. What is it now? Oh, this is not supposed to be here, I think. What the? So Brender. Yeah. Okay. So it's missing one. Then why are you being mean to me? I don't think he's being mean to me. I think that I just screwed up. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna close all of the elements except this. Close others. Okay. Cool. And this is always gonna be loaded. And this thing is not gonna come from here. So this is gonna be cities, and this is gonna be cities. On componented mount, I think this thing is actually not gonna do anything. Like, I'm gonna close this. Can you just like reload the thing? Thanks. Thanks, mate. Okay. So I'm gonna open the home page, and this just sets the thing. And on submit editing, this is actually gonna do something instead of this. So I'm gonna create a function here. So this, what the boo? Search city. So this is gonna call search. So I'm just gonna, okay, give me a second. Okay, so in here, and I'm gonna put a loading, and if loading, do this. Else no. Okay, so this is done. There's no loading there. So const loading. Okay, const loading goes this state. So in the state, I also need a loading, which is false by default. Okay, so I need the search function. That's already done. And I also need this. And basically this thing can actually go to fuck. So if I don't need this anymore, because this just gets the cities from the thing. So if I go to home and I paste this in here, but yeah, search and check city's length. And yeah, so this goes to the city and passes the city. So if city's length equals 1 and else, it goes to this.props navigation to search and pushes all of the cities. So cities, and it's going to be this. And so this goes to search. And I also need cities in here. Not here, but here. So cities is equals to number 0, right? Okay, so what happens to what I do now? Mechanical keyboard. No, I wish. It's fucking Mac keyboards. If I go to Porto, undefined is not an object. Evaluating cities.map. Oh, that's because I actually didn't change anything in here. So on submit editing, this is supposed to call this dot search. This is done. Reload.js. So if I type Porto, can't find variable search. This dot search. What are you talking about? That is true. That's because I didn't fucking import it. So I need these two things. Actually, I don't think I need that. We're not starting the discussion about mechanical keyboards again. Don't worry. No, I'm just very loud. Like, okay, name that split. That's cool. I have no idea what that is. What are you talking about? Oh, this isn't search. I don't have any split. Oh, this gets a city, but there's no city. This is this that okay. So this is this that state that city. No, this does say that text. Where are you getting this? Name that split. Yeah, this is on. Is on Algolia on search. Undefined is not an object. Does this get a city? What the fuck are you talking about? So if I console.log. Now I have a completely different node. Alright, that's cool. Everything is within a text thing. What are you talking about? Yes! Okay, and it just goes to home. God damn it, Leah. Why are you smart? Porto, this gets an error, which is at search. This is weird. I don't know where this is. Ow. Mm, mm, mm. Hmm. So this is at search grid by scene view. Style native component. Thanks, mate. Wait, why isn't this working? Oh, because I'm not setting loading. Loading false. Oh, when you search is this this set state loading true, and this is also does this state loading. Oh, actually, I don't need this anymore. I don't need this timeout anymore because the loading doesn't actually do anything anymore. It's just for effect. Loading false. Hey, Loche! What's up, dude? Fucking dick face. Photo. Okay, this has an error. Oh, can't find variable activity indicator. Okay, that is an actual fix that we can do because I forgot to import it. It's valid. Okay. Activity indicator from React Native. Okay, so if I type Porto now, I get a loading, and then it says text must be in things. Which color scheme is that? I must take over. What are you talking? Are you talking about the editor? Oh, I can't go back now. So if I type Lisbon, let me check if it works. Yeah, so Lisbon works, and it goes straight to this. Whew, beautiful. But if I go home and I type Porto, yeah, this code. Oh, I'm using Night Owl. My theme is called Night Owl. Yeah, so if I type Porto, the weirdest thing is that it does go to search. But it says that things must be in it. That's so weird. No problem. Because this was not a problem. But it says like, okay, so if I type Porto, it tries to come here and says text strings must be rendered in a text component. What science are you working on? Oh, I'm getting like that. Remember that dumbass Uber app that I made a long time ago? So the one that like if you type the name of a city, it like tells you if there's Uber or like things in that city. So I'm making that into React Native because I've never actually used React Native more than like, oh my god, I can make things with JavaScript on the web. So I'm doing that. Yeah, that's about it. I can make things with JavaScript on mobile. It's amazing. It's not really. You just get a bunch of like red screens. But this red screen does not make any sense. Because like this is text, cities, and touchable opacity. This is a text, and the city is a text. Like what? Wait, what? Okay, search. Okay, is city a text? Two strings must be direction and text components. Aren't they? That's the thing. So let me check if city is not. But I think it is. So search city. City is a text. Everything here is a text. So this is text. So I can just change this to text, I guess. Also, this was not a problem. That's the weirdest thing. And I think subtitles also text. Let me make sure. Yeah, subtitles also text. So wrapper, cities, and list are not text. But list is okay to not be text. Yes. That's just weird. Reload JS. Yeah, environment violation. Text strings must be. This error is trash. Does anyone have any ideas? Because I have no idea what's going on. In search. Everything is text here. Okay, let me see if I actually get the cities. So console.log cities. Oh, that's what? This texting is. Yeah, no, it opens here. Yeah. So let me do this. And go. What the fuck? How did I do that? Yeah, so I get this. So I get the cities. That works fine. Huh. Interesting. No, so basically what happens is that I basically just moved all of the loading thing to homepage. And for some reason, by moving the loading like things to the homepage, I broke the search. It says that text strings must be rendered within a text component. And like everything is rendered within a text component here. So let me just delete this, see what happens. Wait, what is this? Oh, I think that had absolutely nothing to do with text components. So Lisbon goes there. Yep. So that was stupid Sarah. I have no idea how this was even rendering. Like, should give me a completely different error, not that one. So let me try this on my phone. So let me open up Expo. Download the JavaScript bundle. If I type Porto, it gives me a list of cities, which does exactly look like that, which is cool. And if I open it, for some like godforsaken reason, it just like it blocks like I don't know why. But the links work, so that's cool. If I click search again, it goes to the homepage, and if I type Porto, yeah, it goes to search. But if I type Lisbon, yeah, it goes directly to the thing. That's cool. So the next step is is that I have no idea what the next step is. Okay, so first of all, this thing needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna commit and commit that I moved the loading logic. Oh, I forgot to open Twitch again. Where is Twitch? Twitch. There we go. And yeah, so I'm gonna commit this. Oh, delete the console.log. Where is that? I think I already deleted it. No, I didn't. I never deleted. What? Okay, I think I clicked a random thing. Okay, git add. Git commit. In the DOM, you can render text and DVD. No, but that was not the problem. That's the weirdest thing. Like, I know that. I'm still not okay with that, but I know that. But the thing is, what was happening was that I had like I deleted code that I didn't delete the closing tags, and for some reason the error was saying a completely different thing. Like it wasn't like a syntax error. It was just weird. I don't know why. Just a weird error. I mean, I got lost. Oh, there we go. Git commit. Move loading. So, are you happier now, Leah? Do you like the loading thing more now? Is it pretty now? Yes. So let me go to the home page. One day I am gonna get punched. I don't need this anymore. By a how do you say it? By an Italian person. And I'm really actually kind of looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be great. Okay, so the homepage doesn't need a header, which is cool. Oh, I got out. And the search doesn't need. Okay, so the search has some issues still. So if I type Porto, the reason I'm typing Porto so much is because Porto has like 5 of them. Also because I live there, you know. So the first thing that I actually want to do is that I want to style this header, but I have no idea how. So the search, okay. Navigation options. So there's a static called thing, navigation options, static, style, header. Because I think I can do this, but I don't know how. Yeah, okay. Configuring the header bar. Oh. Oh. That actually, yeah. Dude, I hate, there was like this part of me that entirely hates when people like copy, like you could just copy this. Okay, so you can change the style. What is the tint color? Okay, let me check if the tint color is, so either, oh my god, okay. I don't want this, I don't want this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I have title. Okay, let me change this. So let me get this and let me check. So let me go here. And I want the background color to be like the same color as the background, like the actual background of the thing. I want it to like, yeah, that's it. And so other tint color, I think is the, like, other tint color, the back button and title both use this property. Yeah, so this is white, so that's okay. And this should have, so let me go and search that elements, and I have the wrapper that has background. So I want the actual background color to be this, and let me see what happens if I do this. So if I type Portal now, yeah, okay, that looks better, but I fucking hate that border right there. That border is big. And iOS, the status bar icons are black, because this now look great on dark color background. Okay. There are 3 key properties, either style. Okay. Ow. Yeah, thanks, dude. You suck. Okay. Oh, you can just put an image? No. No, I don't want that. Okay. What is editor? Where's editor mode? Stream. Ugh. Uh-uh. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, there's a docs. No, there's no docs for this. That would be way too good. Okay, remove. Yeah, there we go. Let's remove the border. Is it here? Maybe. Who knows? Editor, go away. What you doing here? Get away. Porto. That didn't do absolutely anything. That's great. Oh, there we go. Wait, what is this? Style. This dude has like style here. What the fuck? Yeah, I think it's here. I think it's supposed to be here, yeah. I think I just point it everywhere and like check if it works. Nope. Fuck you, Sarah. I think shadow color transparent. Okay. I am using that. So other shadow color transparent. Other style. I think Jared Palmer just tweeted about this yesterday. Really? Let me check this. Because Jared is so okay. Move on to Twitter. And let me. He probably did. He's very salty, which I like. Jared Palmer. Oh yeah, he's making. Yeah. Yeah, but oh, he probably said something in here. Okay. Yeah, but like he did it. I don't know how, but I don't know. Okay, I think he did it because he completely removed it. Oh, because mobile Twitter is way faster. Oh, that's the only reason. Oh, okay, that works too. Uh, you can do regular box shadow. What? Yeah, okay. Oh no, that's the drop shadow. I should do the drop shadow. That's for the drop shadow. I have no idea how he like, because I think he just said like if I said header to null, because this expects a component for some reason, and if I said header to null, and I think there's like another type of header. That's the thing, because I don't want like no header. I want that little thing. Like I don't want a big huge thing. So how the fuck did he get this tiny header? Okay, so React navigation. Okay, let's go. Oh, configuring the header bar. Oh, this is the same thing. Like it doesn't. It's just like literally send me to like memegenerator.com. Yeah, it did. I'm not sure if I'm happy or sad about this. Okay, adding a button to the header. What? Okay. Okay. Header React navigation only back button. Because like I think what I need to do is basically just do this. So like I do a header title null. Then I do header right and I just put a button. And like the button goes back. But that's kinda like that did not work. No. Yeah, but if I remove the title, if I put null, this actually looks better. Because there's only that thing. So there's only like go back home. This fucking border. This goddamn border. Because like I don't know. Their API things are just like go guess and you're like thanks. Okay, yay, say okay. No. No. Oh, either transparent, true. Is this a thing? This is not gonna be a thing. This is a thing! Oh my god, I did it! Is everyone proud? Because I don't think I need any of these things anymore. I think I just need edit transparent. Like, true. And I think that's it. And, cause like, I want the button, I just don't want the fucking header. Porto. Yeah, no, I need that. I need a tint. Edit tint color. I don't need the styles, because I get very excited. Edit, do I want bold? Yes. No, I have no title anymore. So I think this is what I need. So if I type Porto now, I should get, yes, just go home. That's it. And I also want this for the city. So static, the navigation options, cool. And if I go and I type Lisbon now, yeah, so this just goes home. Go home. And if I type Porto, actually go home. And in here, I could just go back. Oh, because this is the only one that has a name. So the search on the homepage is, I'm going to remove the title. And it just goes back. Like, you just get the tiny back button. So if I type Porto, I can go back. Good. And if I type Lisbon, yeah, I can go back. I don't know why some of them show back and some of them just show this. But you gotta live with what you get, I think. Right? No? Maybe? Whoa! That is way too big, boy. That's what she said. City.element. So there's this message here. No, what is the name of this? So I need to go to city, and I need to search for, okay, it's city name. So in elements, I need to go to city name. Where is city name? Okay, and a max width of 80%. 80%, and so let me also set the text line to center. That was already done. Okay, so if I go to photo now, and I type the second one, yeah, so it looks like that. Okay, so is there a fucking position fixed here? I don't think there is. So go back. It doesn't have a position fixed. Bottom 30. I don't think it does. I don't think it's the thing. Nope. Yeah, so there's absolute. Okay, so there's absolute. Is this gonna work? Totally fucking work. Yeah, so I need a left of 50%. So let me just check the left. Right now. That did not work. Okay, so. I'm not gonna look at this anymore. So what I want is to check, like, okay, stick to bottom. Oh, this is still like, okay, stick to bottom, React Native. I think I kind of lost. Oh, I have a problem actually, and I kind of lost the will to do that. So like I was gonna have to do it with Flex, and I'm like, fuck it, it's not worth it. Okay. Okay, cool. So just search again, and this goes back to the home page. Okay, so I do have a problem, which is like this is our hardware, and I want to actually, where is that? Keyboard, toggle software keyboard. So if I do this, this does this. I want to push it up, but I have no idea how to do that. Which has been like my thing of like this entire app. I think there's like a keyboard aware view or something. Keyboard aware view, React Native. Yeah, keyboard avoiding view, something like that. So let me try this. So instead of putting a view, I'm gonna put a keyboard avoiding view. And this is for the wrapper and the homepage. So, so this wrapper, the home.elements. So I need to import the keyboard avoiding view, and the wrapper should be a keyboard avoiding view. And now let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. You like that? That was great. That did absolutely nothing. Hmm. Why would? Okay, I don't know. Huh. Okay, so if you go there, yeah, yeah, okay, let me try this. Like, doesn't hurt, right? And let me change this back to view, because I don't need this. And let me import this. And we go to the home page and try this. So get this from this app and keyboard aware scrolling view. So this wrapper should be wrapped around the keyboard aware scrolling view. And get me this and this. And let's check what happens. I think it's gonna tell. That looks great. I mean, that's what I wanted to do after the keyboard is there. What? What the fuck? Keyboard aware scroll. Okay. The components auto scrolls. Okay, okay, that's cool. This looks great. That's all I have to say. And I'm not sure if this is because of this. Where's the keyboard? Yeah, no, this is just sad. I have no idea what this does. Oh, Android natively has this feature. That's cool. So let me check if this actually works on Android. It's because of the flex in your wrapper. Oh, really? For the keyboard avoiding? What? What flex my wrapper? This wrapper? Oh, is it because of the flex one? Maybe. Let me just put height 100% and display flex. Let me check. No. Let me just. Oh, you need to apply flex to the keyboard avoiding thing. Oh, really? Wait, this thing or the other thing? Okay, let me try. Style. I feel like you actually know React Native. Okay, so display. I feel like you did these battles. Keyboard avoiding view. Okay, let me go back to the home.element. So I need this in the homepage. I've never used React Native. Then what? What the fuck? Damn you, boy. Keyboard avoiding view. And so let me get this and put this in here. Interesting. Oh, there is no keyboard now. View. Where's that? Oh, I'm in code. Okay, sorry. Hardware. Okay, toggle. This doesn't do anything. Like, let me check if this does it on my phone, actually. Okay, I still have Okay, so let me try to add that. So I do have a flex one in the top element. So let me try and add on this one. Nope. Let me remove it from the home elements. Nope. Doesn't move. The docs have an enabled prop in there. Yeah, but it's enabled by default. I checked that. That was kind of stupid. Keyboard avoiding view. Oh, come on. Are you serious? I think I need to add the it should be default to true. Yeah, it should be default to true, but maybe I need to add a behavior or something. Yeah, I need to add a behavior. Can I just not put it back? It totally fucking worked. Why can't I go back? I mean, that makes sense, but like, okay, hardware. Oh lord. But I think it was the padding though. Let me remove the enabled. I think it was the behavior padding though. I think I needed to add a behavior. It was the behavior. Okay, everything is okay. It was the behavior. Okay. Okay, let me check what the other behaviors are. Oh no, but it's not. May have. Fuck it. That's okay. So let me try height and see how it looks. So I can try height, and I can try the other one, which is position. Height looks exactly the same, and let me try position. Is that type? Yeah. No, I'm gonna go with height. I think height looked okay. Well, the other one also looked okay, but they're pretty much the same. That looks cool, cause like it's like it something real of the thing. It's like this thing, like they move at the same time. It actually looks pretty nice. Like it doesn't look like fucking amazing, but it looks nice. Okay. Let me check it on my phone. And it's downloading the JavaScript bundle. Yeah, so yeah, Android does that by default. Yeah, so Android also has this thing by default, which also looks nice. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So the next step is what the fuck? I haven't. I'm figuring out what happens. Uh, I think the keyboard avoiding view doesn't actually go back, which is kind of funny. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last thing of today, which is I'm gonna remove. Okay, toggle software keyboard. Okay, yeah. So the first thing that the last thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna type photo again, and like, there's a problem with this. Like, I just want to fucking align this, and it's not aligning, and it hurts inside. So I'm gonna go to city, that elements, and no, it's actually in city. So I have this text thing. I think where is that? It's not in city, Sarah. What the fuck? It's in here. So I have this text thing, which probably should be a view. Can't find variable view. You are correct, boy. I don't need the activity indicator. Hmm. 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 Interesting. Flex direction. Row. There we go. Yes, this should be a view. So this is too much. This should be 10. Oh, because yeah, maybe not 0. Maybe 10. We'll go with 10. Okay, so that actually looks pretty nice. Does this look nice? This looks nice. Actually, I really like the fact that it slows down there and not here. And maybe I should. Let me just check one thing. So, check if this looks better. Yeah, I like that. I like that. But this should also, like, this input wrapper, I think it has a padding at the top. Input wrapper. No, it doesn't. But this thing should. So where is this? So this activity indicator should have a style and a margin top of 20 or something. So like it doesn't, typing is hard. Typing is very hard. Yeah, so it doesn't move and just does this. Me like. And now it does this, and I can just type, I can click on Proto, and it works. Yes! Okay. So that's done, and I'm gonna go to the search, and this looks like shit, so I'm gonna move it. And I'm gonna call this city wrapper or something. City wrapper. And I'm gonna do this, and this view is gonna be a city wrapper. And this is city wrapper. Cool. So let me import this from search element. So export const city wrapper, and this is equal to styled. Well, the reason I'm using style components is there's no like deep reason. It's just like I like my styles hyphenated. That's it. Nope, too much. One too much. There we go. There we go. Maybe this loading should never be set to false. Yeah, because I always go to there. Wait, what if there are no cities? What happens? Yeah. No, if cities.length equals 1. Okay, so let me console.log. Sarah found a bug. It's an empty array. Oh, okay. Smaller or bigger than 1, it goes to the city, and it passes the 0. What the fuck? Cities.length is big, no, it's smaller. Oh, it's not like this. This is an arrow thing. This is not a thing. It actually is like this. Oh, this exists. What the fuck, Sarah? That was stupid. Yay! Okay! Cool. So, yeah, that's cool. Okay. And I gotta go to the city and city.company. Okay, so. So the thing about this is city.company.filter. Hmm. Okay. So if it comes empty, so city just sends it a city, and if it comes empty, can I do something like company equals an empty array? Does this work? I think this is the only thing that I need. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Okay, so this works now. That's cool. Because this is gonna be a problem. Yeah. So defaults to an empty array, and that's cool. And belt scrolling view is working. Mm-mm. 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 Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, I wanted to do something else, but I completely forgot what I was gonna do. I don't remember. The pain for the future you. Why? Why? I'm not gonna maintain this. I'm just gonna make it. Yeah. Okay. Search again. It's actually pretty smooth. Yeah. So like, actually, the idea of making it there or making it here actually made it way smoother, I think. So like, if I search this one, we just like search it and go automatically to this, and I can go in black lane, and this is not gonna open, but it does open on a phone. So I'm then gonna try and do it on like an actual one, like an actual phone. Okay, so package.json. There are things here that I don't need. So this is not used. This is not used. And also we have like mobile detect, which is also not used. That's cool. Am I thinking, should I update this? No, I shouldn't. So git add. Okay, so I think for today I did a pretty good advance. There are a couple of things that I want to change, and like one example is that this file isn't doing anything here. It's actually importing from React Emotion. This is the flag thing, so that's cool. There's a fixed name, edge cases, that's cool. So what I want to do is that these things should come. I think these things should come from GitHub because it's not easy to update. What do we say? It's not easy at all to fucking update native apps. So tomorrow what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna get so I'm gonna move this into a JSON file again, and I'm gonna get this from GitHub. So using raw git, not raw git, the new one. I think it's GitHack or something. And I'm gonna get this from GitHub so that if I update it on GitHub, it will update it here. And I think I'll go. That's pretty much working. App Store links. This is gonna come from GitHub as well. And this just has all the links to the app stores, and that's it. Components just has the logo, but this is now working, so this is something that I need to check as well. And so tomorrow I'm gonna get all that stuff from how do you say it? I'm gonna get that from GitHub instead of getting it like directly from the drive. Mostly because I don't want to keep updating this app. Like that doesn't make a lot of sense. Because all of the things are in Algolian. The idea is that I only update for bugs and not update for like we added a new type. Like that should just come from Algolia. Like I shouldn't need to update it. So that's the way I made it on desktop, and that's the way I want to make it here as well. So the App Store links and the edge cases are going to be JSON files that I will get from GitHub. And the other thing that we're going to do tomorrow is that we are going to fix this motherfucking shit on Android. Because, like, let's open this in Android. It doesn't look that good. I'm going to be honest right now. It kind of looks like shit. So, run on Android device simulator. Oh, yeah. So, oh my God. So, if you've never opened Android Studio, you're going to open it now. And, like, the default, like, thing that they have is so slow. And that's why I was using it on my phone today. Because it's really slow. Do your thing, man. Okay. Okay, whatever. So just you need to open an application. I mean, there's probably an easier way to do this. And then in here, you can open like a DB, which is an Android device emulator or something. So like, but you only get. So I'm gonna create a new virtual device, and it's gonna be like the Nexus 6 or something. Yeah. And I'm gonna go next. It's fine. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, so let me try this Nexus 6 and action start. It's like the thing is like that one. Why does this always look like shit? Like the thing about. Okay, so the thing about this is that it looks like every Android phone looks like crap, and like my phone is pretty nice. My phone looks nice. Why are you making people believe that Android is bad? Damn, how did you eat like 3 gigabytes? I don't care. I honestly just don't care. So come here, boy. And I'm gonna go in the emulator, and now I think I can open it in here, and you're gonna see that it doesn't look that good. But one good thing that they have is that you can actually like scale this, or you could yesterday, and maybe you can't anymore. No, you can't. Like you can scale this, so that's cool. Fucking Android is so good for making people think that Android is bad. What? Oh, it's installing Expo in here now. This will probably take a while. And by probably, I mean this is gonna take a while. I think one of the hardest things that I'm getting into, like doing this, is that okay, this one is faster. No, it's not. No, yeah, it does. The other one was really slow. So, one of the things that is really weird is that I can't check things on the, like, change styles, and I am so used to, like, changing styles, like, on the console or something, that, like, I'm like, how do I do this? Oh my god, dude, just run on iOS, run on Android. Why did you... Get out, get out! Fucked up. Okay, so I need to allow this. Yep, that's cool. See, I did click it, it just doesn't do anything. And, like, the iOS one is so good, like, it's so fast. Oh my god. I'm just gonna run Aspo again. Hey, well, we're almost over. I just want to show the bugs that this has on Android. Okay, it's happening. It's happening! Is it happening, though? Maybe. Who knows? Okay, so if I do this... Oh, this doesn't have the keyboard? Yeah, so it does push it up. Oh, thanks, man! Not the happening. And I just click Porto. It's so slow. And it searches, and that's good. And then this thing stalls for some reason. Like, it doesn't do this on my phone. And then for some reason it takes forever. Like, this is like damn, this is like unusable for some reason. Like, it's so slow. Oh, and here it's fine. Like, kind of fine. So the first problem that we have is that apparently there's only 3 of these now. Maybe it's because Android Studio on Mac is poo poo. It's maybe be poo poo. I'm not sure. No, this is like my second stream. So, and what happens if I click here? This is so fucking slow, I swear to God. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, no thanks. Leave me alone. Yeah, so this is a problem with the thing. Cool, because this happens on opens. Okay, so I need to check. Oh my god. Wait, are they stuck at the top there? No, you get like one. I love that you get like one confetti. Oh no, you get more now. Okay, so yeah, so these things, there's a couple of problems on Android that I'm gonna try and fix tomorrow, and I'm also gonna get stuff from GitHub. Oh, thanks, man. Okay, so if you do here, what I'm doing is that I have this app that tells you if there's Uber somewhere, and it's like, it's a web app. So I figured, is there Uber in? And work is depression. Yes, it is. I can verify that. And so if I type something here, like if I type Lisbon, it will search and tell me like yes or no, and it will tell me like there is Black Lane, there is Cabify, or whatever. So what I'm trying to do is make this into a React Native app. So it already kind of works. So if I go here and I type Lisbon, it actually auto-corrected me, and it goes here. So what is the problem is that some of the, there's a bunch of Android problems, and there is also, because Android Studio on iOS is poo-poo, as very well stated, and also, like, I want to get files, so I have files like the App Store links that I want to get from GitHub instead of having them here, because if I have them here, I'll have to keep updating the app. So yeah, so that is it for today. I will probably stream around the same time tomorrow, so it's, I think it was at like 2 p.m. Portugal time. I will also upload this to YouTube. And yeah, so I hope to see you all tomorrow here. I'll be probably almost finishing this, because then like the rest of the streams is going to be just sadness of me trying to figure out how to put this in the App Store. I'm actually not going to put this in the iOS store. A friend of mine is going to do it, because I don't have an iOS account, and I'm not going to fucking pay them $100, because I like my money. So I'm going to put it on the Android store. And yeah, so that's going to be it. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna close OBS.